Hello viewer, now I am reviewing in the full specification of the Nothing Phone 2. The display of this smartphone is 6.7-inch LTPO OLED. The display color of this smartphone 1 billion color and 120 Hz refresh rate. HDR10 Plus and the display brightness of this smartphone 1600 nits HBM and 1600 nits peaks. The screen to body ratio of this smartphone 87.2%. The resolution of the display 1080 by 2412 pixel. PPI density 394. Now I am telling about the operating system of this smartphone Android 13 Nothing OS 2. The chipset Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1 4nm. The CPU octa-core and the GPU Adreno 730. Now I am telling about the memory of this smartphone. Card slot is not available. The internal memory are available of different type and the RAM is also available of different type of this smartphone. The main camera are dual camera and the feature of the main camera LED flash HDR in panorama. The video of the main camera 4K into 60 fps, 1080p into 60 fps, Grio EIS Live HDR OIS. The selfie camera of this smartphone is a single camera. The feature of the selfie camera HDR and the video of the selfie camera of this smartphone 1080p into 30 fps. Now I am telling about the sound of this smartphone. Loudspeaker is available with the stereo speaker and the 3.5mm jack is not available of this smartphone. Now I am telling about the connectivity of this smartphone. Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct. The Bluetooth 5.3 to DPLE. The charging port of this smartphone USB Type-C 2.0 OTG. Now I am telling about the battery of this smartphone 4700 nano-mobile. The charging wire 45W and the wireless charging of this smartphone 15W and the reverse wireless 5W of this smartphone. The 5G technology is available of this smartphone. The dual SIM slot is available of this smartphone. The dust and water resistance of this smartphone IP54. The launch date was announced of this smartphone 11 July 2023. There are a different price are available of this smartphone according to the different country. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablets, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablets, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.